Countries hoping to set up military facilities in the Horn of Africa have mostly chosen Djibouti. It's a peaceful enclave in an otherwise volatile region. So far, it's attracted France, Japan, the US, China, and most recently, Saudi Arabia. The UAE is the latest entrant into the Horn of Africa, but it's opted instead for Somaliland. That's the self-declared republic in northwestern Somalia. So far, Somaliland has succeeded in keeping away al-Shabaab militants who are fighting an insurgency in other parts of Somalia. So in essence, it's trying to sell itself as an oasis of peace. In this deal, the Emiratis will train local Somaliland security forces. They'll also have a platform from which they can protect their shipping interest in the Gulf of Aden. The UAE is also part of a multinational coalition fighting Houthi rebels in nearby Yemen, so this base will no doubt be useful. In expanding the port of Berbera, Somaliland has an opportunity to gain economically by serving its landlocked neighbors. But some in the region are not likely to welcome these events. Somaliland hosting a foreign military base would signal competition for Djibouti, and the entry of the UAE would also pose a challenge to the influence of Ethiopia in this region. And because Somaliland is not internationally recognized, it's still technically part of Somalia, so that could bring up some legal complications. For now, Somaliland is presenting itself as another option for foreign militaries in the Horn of Africa.